Judge the Judger. Now, I heard that recently on a Gary Vee podcast, and I just thought it was a wonderful piece of advice, because a lot of us will stop doing what we want to do because we get judged by somebody else. You know, we will say to our family members, I'd love to write a book, and then they say, well, you can't write a book. So we listen to them and we don't write a book. Or we get maybe an anonymous comment on an Instagram page, and then we say, well, you know, I can't take good pictures, so I'm not going to put stuff on Instagram anymore. But if you look at that person who is giving you those comments and those judgments, what is their expertise on that? You'll probably find that that family member has never written a book. That person who has probably given you an anonymous comment on Instagram isn't as good looking as they think they are, and they probably can't take as good photographs as they let on that they do. So are they an expert to give you advice? In the majority of cases, they probably have no expertise, have never ever done that thing before, and that is just a brain fart that just come off their head. So keep that in mind today. Judge the Judger.